The back stitch is a wonderful and easy outline stitch. Start by bringing out the needle from one end of the pattern to make a straight stitch. Then come out a little ahead. Go back to cover the gap by passing the needle through the same stitch point. Repeat the process. I'm using the stab method here. For me, this method sort of gives more control over the stitch. The back stitch is made by taking the thread backward than the conventional forward motion, and thus the name. It can take curves well. You can see that there are no spaces between each stitch, giving it a continuous appearance. The back stitch is good for small fillings as well. Now, this is how I would do the back stitch using the sewing method. I have made a detailed tutorial on back stitch, the link of which I will give at the end of this video. Let me know if you liked this video. Thank you for watching.